for the most part, not a big running team.
This is crushed deep to left field, and it is gone. A two-run shot for Mike Zunino, his 10th of the year, and we are tied at 3.
That's a veteran hitter right there. Projected to be the number 2 pick in the draft by Keith Wong. And watch the location right here. That is starting off about belly button high, ends up thigh high, and ends up off the scoreboard.
So Seitz has been inconsistent with his location. He pays for it there. 38th career home run for Mike Zunino. Speaking of home runs, this is hit pretty well to right field, and it is gone. A solo shot for Nolan Fontana. He's been on base every time he's come up, and there's the tack-on run you talked about.
The Gators have scored now in 4 consecutive innings. This coming home with 2 outs, inning rolling along real nice. And he's going to take this high pitch, gets on top of it. Watch this right here. This ball's going to be, watch him get the hands on top. Quick hands inside the ball. Gets on top and hits the big top.
Got it over that screen.
Brendan Casa, amazing. We talk about his numbers. Lefty's only hitting 120 against him.
Well, this one is deep to right and deep into the night, and that is the second earned run given up by Bennett Casa this year, and Brian Johnson earned it. Wow. Third home run, and that was a no-doubter, Nick.
This ball is launched. He hit one down at Coral Gables. This is a hanger. It's supposed to be a curveball. And it is off. That's another one off the big top. Actually, I think it was a slider. But get the picture. Getting up at 125 against lefties. Of course, something had to give. Johnson was hitting 295 against righties, so.